What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll show you how to draw and color Michelangelo from the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Let's get started at the top of our page with the eyelid. We're going to leave a gap in the center. Let's start over on the left side. We're going to draw a curve that goes up and we'll just bend that out towards the left. Let's line this up on the right and do the same thing, going up and out. Let's curl up the inside of the brow. Starting on the left, bend this in and up. And then we'll tuck the eyes in underneath the eyelid. On the left side, let's step in. Just going to curve this down and then back up towards the inside of the brow. Now we're going to move down and draw the mouth. Let's start over on the left side. Start with a curve that goes up and then down. And a curve the mouth going back up towards the corners of the mouth. Let's add a bracket on the ends. Now let's move out to the side and draw the lower half of the head. From the left brow, we're going to step out, start with a curve that goes out and then down towards the cheeks. Now going back to the left side, round up the jaw, just pull that in towards the middle, go across and up towards the right, and then round out the jaw. Now going back to the top of the head, we're going to bend the head going up and then in. And we'll connect the top with a curve. Round up the top of the head, going up in the middle, and then bring that back down. Let's go back in the center underneath the mouth and draw a curve for the lower lip. Now we're going to draw the edge of the mask. Let's start on the left side, bend this up and in. Bend this in and then down toward the center of the head. Now let's work in the right side. Going up and then out. Go out and then down. Now we're going to draw on the bottom of the mask. Starting from the left side, just going to bend this down and in just underneath the eye. Now we'll round at the bottom, pull this up in the middle, and we'll just bend that back down towards the right. Let's draw the headband coming out from the left side. Starting up here, curve this up and out. Just going to bend this back down towards the end. Draw an angled line going up. Now I'm going to follow this curve coming back in towards the head, but we're just going to taper this so it gets narrower as we come in. Let's add the second strap. Going out and then down. Angle this up and out. And then again, just tapering this back in underneath. Now that we've drawn the head, let's move down and draw on the side of the body. We start over on the left side, just underneath the head, curve the body going out, and then down towards the left hip, go over towards the right, bend this out, and then down. And from the hips, we're going to step up, draw the top edge of the belt, curving this down, and then up. Let's add the knot in the center. Start with two straight lines coming down, round up the bottom. Let's bring the belt coming down on either side. From the bottom corners of the knot, come down and out with a curve, angle this up and out. Now I want to bring this back up towards the top corners of the knot. Now going back to the hips, we're just going to curve the bottom of the belt going in behind. Now going back to the top of the body, curve this in and then down towards the center. Then this up towards the right. Now from the center, draw a straight line coming all the way down towards the belt. And I'll add another seam going across the chest. We're going to start on the left, bend this up, and then down. Now let's go back to the belt, step down and draw a straight line going across. And then on either side, we'll bend the leg, going out and then down towards the left heel, go out and down towards the right heel. Let's round out the heel and just pull that up towards the first toe. Let's go back to the left side. I'm going to draw a C shape. So the first toe going all the way around and then down. And then we'll layer one more toe in behind. From the top, going all the way around and then in. Now I'm going to go back up to the hips and draw the outside leg. Let's start from the left hip. Just going to bend the leg going out. Just bend that down, aiming towards the inside of the first toe. And then from here, just going to bend this out and then down towards the feet. Now I'm going to go back to the inside leg, curl this up and out, aiming towards the hip. Just continue along the top. Let's add in the knee pads. Starting back over on the left, bend this in and then down, and then line this up on the right. Now from the outside, we're going to step down, curl this across and then down. Let's separate the end with a straight angled line. And we'll separate this into three parts. Start with a curve along the bottom, and the top. Now we're going to move back up to the top and draw the arms holding the nunchucks. From the top of the body, let's step up underneath the head, curve the arm coming down, and then out towards the wrist. From the wrist, we're going to curl the thumb going up and then down, round up the thumb, and pull that back up. Let's add in the palm, come down and in, a short curve. Now let's wrap two large fingers along the outside. We'll start from the side of the thumb, go all the way around, and then in, step down, and draw that again. Let's place the nunchucks in behind the hand. From the top, draw two straight angled lines going up. Now we're going to continue those lines along the bottom. Do the same thing on the right. Let's close off the top with a curve going up. Close off the bottom going down. I'm just going to add a trim along the top and bottom. Now we're going to go back to the wrist, curve the palm coming in, just bend that out and behind. And then from the inside of the palm, bend the arm coming in and up towards the body. Then add in the wristband, stepping in, curve across, and then from the top of the wrist, curve this in and down. Let's add in the elbow pads. From the inside of the arm along the bottom, bend this up and out. Step up and draw that again. Now let's place the shell in behind the body. Underneath the head on the left, bend this out and then down in behind the arm. Come down to the bottom, bend this down and in towards the hips. Now let's finish off the nunchucks. Starting out here behind the hand, come down with a straight line, step out and draw that twice. Let's close off the top of the curve, bottom, and then we'll add that seam on the top and bottom. Now we're going to connect the ends with a rope. Starting from the outside, bend this up and then down, step in and draw that twice. And now we're going to go ahead and start adding some color. Starting with the green around the head, We're going to use our orange for the mask, starting from the outside. And use that same color on the inside of the nunchucks. Now we're going to finish off our drawing by signing our artwork, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw and color Michelangelo. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. You can also drop your requests in the comments below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.